Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Let's see where Nifty will move tomorrow, what strategy we need to apply, where we need to position ourselves. Friends, if we look into the Nifty was very much weak rather than the Bank Nifty. As you can see, like a big amount of selling came as soon as the market opened. The sellers were dominating the market and the single prints, they didn't let any of the buyers to buy the market. It was a broad-based sell-off in the Nifty and everything was literally collapsing like anything, and 500 points in Nifty is not a small fall, it is really a big fall. Well, when you look into the Nifty, like nothing much to say, as the markets were literally collapsing and it was falling continuously, and at a certain price points the big institutions, they felt like this is a buying opportunity and they've entered into the market. As you can notice, like the sellers were selling, but still the prices were not going down, the prices were bouncing back. It was a clear indication like the buyers have entered into the market. If you have the order flow with you, you can analyze and you can capture this kind of moments. You can enter at the lower points and your stop losses will be very tight, and you can really enjoy the big rallies. Like 200 points was the rally today. If you have an order flow, you can really enjoy this kind of rallies with the tighter stop losses. If you want to learn more, please do subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon button. I'll be posting much interesting videos. Well, if you look, like there was a 200 points of a rally in the Nifty and the buyer came and initiated a position and they started to buy the market. So we saw like 16,600 in futures market, 16,660 in the futures market. Good amount of a buying came and the price was holding. You can see the sellers were selling, but still the buyer was holding the price. What strategy we need to apply? Let's look the structural format tomorrow. If you look the structure, it is looking the same. The structure is same like the inverse V reversal. The market went up, it came back and it broke down. There was a little bit of little bit of buying, little bit of selling, little bit of buying, little bit of selling, and went up again. It got sold into. When you look here, 16,400 area is looking a good value area, and the 16,800 is looking a good value area. So 16,400 to 16,800, if the price sustains for a couple of days or 3 days, 2 or 3 days, and if it starts to flip down, go up, flip down, go up, that is what we confirm it as an accumulation phase. Like here you can notice like 1, 2, 3 days of an accumulation, other day sell off, and again came down, little bit of profit booking, again it went up, little bit of profit booking. If the price starts to stay here for 2 or 3 days and if it starts to break either side, then we can go with a big position with the positionally. So what strategy we need to apply for tomorrow? I'll take you into 15 minutes time frame. In 15 minutes time frame, you can see like very good amount of a V reversal here. It's a V reversal and the price is holding at a higher price. So our strategy should be very simple. If the market is opening flat and if it is crossing these levels, then we'll be a buyer in the market. As these people, the people who have shorted here, their stop losses will be somewhere here. If the market starts to go higher, they start to square off their position and markets will propel on the higher side. If the markets open gap down and if it crosses this swing, the swing is like somewhere like 16,500. If it crosses the 16,500, our target should be somewhere like 16,400. My best strategy would be like if it's open flat and if it starts to cross these levels at 16,600, there will be a good short covering rally and the prices will start moving higher and higher. So don't short the market at least couple of days, at least 1 day for tomorrow. Let's see is the prices are holding at a higher price points, or if they are crossing 16,400, then not tomorrow, a day after tomorrow, will definitely go for shorting the market. I hope you like my video. If you do so, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button. Thank you so much.